Salut, comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Swati. Et toi? Alors, aujourd'hui, nous apprenons les nombres cardinaux. Commencons! Hi, what is your name? My name is Swati. So today we are going to learn the cardinal numbers. So let's start. In the previous video, we have already learned 1 to 20. The link for the previous video is given in the description box. Do go through the video and revise your numbers. Let's do a quick revision here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's start from 20, and today we are going to do till 100. So stay tuned and watch the full video. So 20, as we already know this, 20 is 1. 21, 1 and 1 and 20 and 1, 21. Now a very important note. You might have noticed that when we are using two words to write a number, like 18, this week, we use a hyphen. Hyphen is very important in French language. In all the numbers, we use a hyphen between the two words while writing any number. But in numbers like 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and 71, instead of a hyphen, we use a, E-T-A. Okay? So 21, 1 et 1. 20 and 1, 1 et 1. Okay? 22, 22, 22. 23, 1, 3, 1, 3. 24, 1, 4, 1, 4. So you might notice here what we are doing is we are writing 20 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Right? So one easy way to remember the numbers in French. So again, 1, 1 et 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 25, 1, 5, 26, 1, 6, 27, 1, 7, 1, 7. 27 is 1, 7. 28, 1 week, 1 week. 29, 1 neuf, 1 neuf. Okay. Now let's see what do we call 30 in French. So 30 is 30. 30. What is 30? 30 is 30. 31, 30 et 1. 30 et 1. 30 and 1. 31. 30 et 1. 30 et 1. 32. 32. 32. 33. 33. 33. 34. 34. 34. So as you notice here again, we are using 30 and then writing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 30 followed by 1, 2, 3. So 31, 32, 33, so on and so forth. 35, 35, 35. 36, 36, 36. 37, 37, 37. 38, 38. 38 and 39, 39, 39. So as you notice here, in numbers like 21 and 31 we use a, and in rest of the numbers we use a hyphen. Hyphen is very important you should never miss out on a hyphen while writing numbers in French. Okay, so now this is 30. Now let's see, what do we call 40 in French? So 40 is 40. 40 is 40. What is it? It's 40. Okay, 41. 41. 40 and 1. 40 and 1. 41. 41. 41. So again we are using A here. Okay. Now let's see 42. 42. 42. 42. 42. 42. 42. 43. 43. 43. 44. 44. 44. 45. 45. 45. 46. 46. 46. 47. 47. So again you might notice we are using the hyphen everywhere, and we are just putting 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4 in front of 40 to make 40, 41, 42, 43 and so on. So 47, 47, 48, 48, 48, 48, 48, 49, 49. 49 is 49. Okay, clear? Now let's see, what do we call 50 in French? So 50 is 50. What is 50? 50 is 50. 50. 50. 51. 51. 51. What is 51? 51. 51. 52. 52. 52. 52. 52. 53. 53. 53. 53. 53. 54. 54. 54. 54. 54. So again you will notice here we are using A with 1, 51 and a hyphen with the rest of the numbers, and we are just writing 1, 2, 3, 4 so on and so forth to make 51, 52, 53, 54 so on and so forth. So 54, 54, 55, 55, 55, 56, 56, 56, 57, 57, 57, 58, 58, 58, 58, and 59 is 59, 59, 59. Now let's move on to 60. What do we call 60 in French? 60 is called 60, 60, 60, 60, and 61, 60 and 1, 61, 61, 60 and 1, 62, 62, 62, 63, 63, 63. So again we are just putting A with in 161 we have put A, E-T, and rest of the numbers we will put the hyphen. So 63, 63, 64, 64, 64, 64, 64, 64, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 66, 66, 66, 67, and 68 is 68, 68, and 69, I know you might have guessed it already, 69, that's correct, 69, 69, 69. Now let's have a look at how do we write 70 in French. This is a bit different, so watch carefully. In French, we write 70 as 70, 70, 60 and 10. 60 and 10 will make it 70. So we write 70 as 70 in French. So for 70 in French language, we have 70. Now let's have a look how do we write 71. So now if 70 is 60 and 10, 71 will be 60 and 11, isn't it? So 60 and 11 would become 71. 60 and 11, making it 71. So that is 71. 72, you guessed it right. 60 and 12, 72. 73, 73, 74, 74, 74, 74, 75, 75, 75, 76, 76, 76, 77. How do we write 17 in French? dix-sept. So 77 becomes 60 and 17. So that is 77. Similarly, 78. 78. 78. 78. 60 and 18 given me 78. 78. 79. 79. 79. 60 and 19 giving me 79. So 79. 79. Clear? Now let's have a look how do we write 80 in French. This is quite interesting, so keep watching. Now how can we make 80? We are not going to do 60 plus 20. We are not going to do 70 plus 10. We are going to use the multiples. So how do we use 80 with what multiples? Well, 4 times 20. What do I get when I multiply 4 times 20? So 4 times 20 gives me 80, right? 80. So that is how I write 80 in French. 4 times 20. 80. 80. Okay. Now note here that 1 is followed by an S. Okay. Now let's see what happens ahead. Now for 81. For 81, I will be multiplying 4 into 20 and adding a 1. So that becomes 81. 81. 4 times 20 and then a 1. 81. 81. 81. Okay. So for 82, it will be 4 times 20 and a 2. 82. So that will become 82. 82. Okay. So again, 80 is 4 times 20. 4 20s. So 80. 80 has a S in 80. But in 81 and 82 and the rest of the numbers, you will see that the S is not there. So keep a note. 83. 83. 83. 84. 84. 84. 85. 85. 4 times 20 and a 5. So 85. 85. 85. Now 86. 86. 86. 86. 87. 87. 87. 87. 87. 88. 88. 88. 88. 88. 89 is 89. 89 is 89. Now coming to 90. Now 90 is written as 4 times 20 and a 10. 4 times 20 and a 10. So that becomes 90. 90. 91. 80 plus 11. 91. So 91 would be written as 91. 91. 91. 92. 92. 92. 92. 93. 93. 93. 93. 94. 94. 94. 95. 95. 95. 95. Now 96. 96. 96. 96. 96. 96. 96. 97. 97. This is 97. 4 times 20 followed by 17. That is 97. So 97. 97. 97. 98. 98. 98. 99. 99. 99. 99. And finally, the century number 100 is known as 100. 100 is 100. Clear? So I hope you understood how to write the French numbers. If you have any doubt, do leave it in the comment section. We'll be happy to solve it. And do share our videos, subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. If you like the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much and see you next time. Au revoir.